Out here in Colchester, landscape company called me up saying that this pin holder snapped off, as you can see. So this is as close as it's able to get. Pretty gnarly. It's a pretty old machine. We'll walk behind Bobcat. So clean it up, fix it up, get it back in operation for him. Well, all set here. Let's see, got about double the weld on this and the other side. So the only thing that is really concerning to me though is in this back side here. I put as much, I reached in there as best as I could to seal up the back side. As the gentleman said, it's virtually impossible to basically put this alignment plate on. So I had to do what I could. Did my best to seal it off so it's not a ideal space to try and put a head in and weld. So, took about an hour, maybe a little less, for setup, prep, and start the welding. So, but like all my work, I have a 3-month guarantee. So if this thing breaks, then I'll come back out and I'll fix it for free. But there's much weld on there. If it breaks, that'll be a sight to see.